2017 Nissan Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, navigation system, keyless entry, heated seats, power driver's seat, power passenger seat, traction control, remote start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, moonroof, power steering, cruise control, center armrest, premium sound, climate control, security system, fog lights, side airbag. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.